Hello, little learners. Welcome to Homeschool Channel. Learn with Omer. Let's learn and have fun.
Alright class, today we're exploring cats.
I love cats.
Let's see what you can draw.
I'm gonna draw a striped one. Me too. And I'll draw a fluffy cat.
Alright class, let's explore where cats come from. We'll start in Iran, then Thailand, Norway, Scotland, and Turkey.
Wow.
And over here in Africa and Asia, wild cat species began.
Cool.
Alright class, today we have a special guest.
Behold the majestic Persian cat.
Look at this incredible floor-length coat.
Wow, it's so soft. Can I touch it?
Alright class, let's look at a Persian cat's daily routine. Wow, grooming takes up almost the whole day. They comb their fur like this.
Oh, their fur must get so tangled.
Class, let's look at this Siamese cat.
Those eyes are
Notice the striking contrast with its cream body. Try drawing the pattern. Alright class, check this out. The most talkative cat in the world. A Siamese cat, listen to it meow.
Yeah!
Exactly.
A record breaker. Class, let's learn about a special cat. The biggest domestic cat breed on the planet.
Wow! It's huge. Whoa, look, its tail is so long.
Okay class, look at the board. This is the longest domestic cat ever recorded, a Maine Coon. Whoa, it's huge. It's 123 centimeters long.
Let's measure our desk.
Take a look at this. This cat has the coat of a wild jungle leopard and lives in your house.
Wow!
Class, let's see the magical shimmer of a Bengal cat's glitter coat. Watch how the light catches the golden spots. Now, rotating this sparkly object shows the same iridescence. Try drawing it. All right, class, take a look at this. It's a Scottish fold cat. I knew you'd like it. Just look at that face. All right, settle down. All right, class, look at the board. This Scottish fold cat sits in a very special way. No other cat sits like this. Watch me try. Whoa! This is harder than it looks. All right, class, did you know Sphinx cats are the warmest to touch? It's like they're little heaters. Look at this diagrams. They're warmer than any other cat. You could call them a living hot water bottle. Living hot water bottle. All right, class, let's see a ragdoll cat. Watch how limp it becomes.
Wow!
See? Just like a plush toy.
Exactly, ragdoll bliss. Class, this is the Norwegian forest cat.
It's so majestic.
In Norse myths, this cat pulled a goddess's chariot.
Wow! I'm drawing its chariot.
Excellent. All right, class, watch this. Norwegian forest cats can climb down cliffs head first. Almost no other cat can do this. See how its paws grip the rock? It's incredible. All right, class, look at the screen. This is an Abyssinian cat. Notice its elegant, athletic body. And here is an ancient Egyptian depiction. A living link to history. Look, a Turkish van cat. This cat chooses to go swimming. No way! Gone. Completely gone. Born this way.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Exactly. Nature has some amazing surprises. The fastest animal on land. And yes, it is a cat.
Vroom! Whoosh! Zoom, zoom!
Exactly. Now, who can tell me how it runs so fast? All right, class, look at the screen. It hits 112 kilometers per hour in just 3 seconds. Let's try that.
Wow, so fast!
Ready, raise this! Great effort, everyone. Can you see it? Now, for a fun fact about the snow leopard. Its tail is, let me show you. It's like a warm blanket.
Oh, wow! Like this!
Class, check this out. A caracal jumps 3 meters straight up from a standing start. See?
That's awesome!
Your turn, everyone, jump! Take a look at this amazing creature. This is a black-footed cat. It's surprisingly small. It weighs about as much as this book.
Wow, it's so tiny!
All right, class, check this out. The black-footed cat has a 60% success rate.
No way, that tiny cat?
The deadliest hunter in the cat family.
Whoa!
All right, class, let's explore the Cat World Records board. First, the largest domestic cat is...
Mocha.
Next is the smallest wild cat, the black-footed cat.
And the fastest is the cheetah.
From the tiniest wild hunter to the fluffiest royal palace pet, every cat is extraordinary. Every single one deserves our wonder and our protection.
Thanks for learning with Omer. Please like and subscribe. Click the button below.